This video is going to look at how to show some code in the assistant editor with an Xcode. We've been looking at having a view and then wanting to link visual components to the view controller associated with that. So I've got a storyboard here with a single view in it with 3 controls, and I've got a view controller, both the .h and the .m, and what I'd like to do is have an easy way to link information so that I can insert it into this view controller.m, the implementation file. So I'm going to show the storyboard, and the first thing we could try is to come to the assistant editor button up here on the top right. So if I click that, drag that back into view, what it's done is shown me the view.m controller in this assistant view. It doesn't always get it right. Xcode sometimes shows you an incorrect file. So if you go up to this bar at the top, you can get various options. So if you go to the far left one, we have manual, where we can start to look through. Let's just zoom into that a little. And it shows me all the files available. So I could select a particular file that I want to look at, which could be the .h. Similarly, I could go back and choose appdelegate.m. But in this case, what I really want is the view controller.m to be shown. So that's one way to do it, and you can use this top bar navigator to find your way around. Let's just go back to single view. Another quick way you could do it is if you come over to the project navigator, and what we see is a bunch of files over here. So just got a regular project, app delegates, view controllers, and the storyboard. Well, if I'd like to see the .m file shown as the assistant, if I hold down the Alt key and click on a file, what we see is that comes up. So any file that I clicked Alt and a single mouse click, I get to see that file come up in the assistant editor. So that can be a quicker and more reliable way to get the right file shown in that second view. One other thing to note, I have mentioned this in the sessions, but one thing you could do is if you've got the .m part of the class definition showing, it's very quick and easy to toggle to the .h file. And to do that, just press Control and Command, and either the up or the down key, doesn't matter. And you can just toggle in any editor, whether it's the primary editor or the accessory view, the assistant view. You can just toggle between the two to make it easy. Once you've got that view, then you can just drag and create outlets or actions as appropriate.